Hello and welcome to the Boolean Algebra Activity Pack. This is just a quick introduction as to what the pack is about. So this pack will be covering the teaching of the Welsh WJC Computer Science, GCSE and Boolean Algebra. For this we'll be using our app located at https://cstechnobull.swan.ac.uk, which you can see here. So this is the home page of the app. To learn Boolean Algebra from scratch, we're going to want to go on the Let's Learn page. This page includes 4 tutorials, 1 to 4, and 3 quizzes. You expect to go through them all in the order of tutorial 1 to quiz 1, to tutorial 2, to quiz 2, tutorial 3, and 4 to quiz 3. They will unlock one after another, and up here is your progress with the percent, and it will tell you which one to do next. As we haven't started anything yet, it's telling us to start with tutorial 1. So as an example, we will go through it. So this tells us about the Boolean data type, and then it tells us about the operators within Boolean logic, which you're meant to read and go through yourself, and then it tells us about the operators explained within real-life scenarios, and we can use the button down here to go through each one, so each operator has their own scenario. And then we can go back to the menu, and it tells us that our progress has increased and tells us to try quiz 1 next, which has now been unlocked. So once you have done them all, these boxes will be green and you will be at 100%. So once you're done, then you can fill out the quiz and tell us how you found it.